A very good morning to all of you. A warm welcome to English class. In today's class, we will study Unit 7, Worksheet 4. Students, we have studied up to Worksheet 4 in video 1. Today, we will again repeat Worksheet 4 and then next worksheets. So let's get started. Here we go. In Worksheet 4, we are to see the pictures and we are to just guess about the mood of these people, how they are thinking, what they are thinking, whether they are happy or they are sad. Now you can look at this picture. A mother is there, a boy is there. She seems worried. So you will write, she is worried because her son has not returned home. Next picture, the boy is crying. The boy is crying because he has lost his wristwatch. The next example is third one. Look at the third picture. This person is so angry, looking angry, but we will make one sentence. He is angry because his son has not scored good marks in exams. And this lady seems tired. So when mother gets tired, when they do lot of work, she is tired because she has done a lot of work. He is laughing. This person is laughing. So must we, when we laugh, when we hear something good, because he has heard a joke. He is excited. When we are excited, when we get some new gifts, or instead of bicycle you can write anything else, but we have taken example this. He is excited because he has got or gotten, both you can use. Third form is also got and gotten, both way it is. So but otherwise you can use gotten as well. So he has got a new bicycle. Then next one, seventh example, worksheet 5 at page 58. Work with your partner and write down 5 important events that have taken place in the world till today. One is done for you. Now, what it is there? Work with your partner means two people will discuss and write down 5 important events that have taken place in the world till today. Till today means up to this time. One is done for you. Man has landed on the moon. So you know this fact. On moon man has reached. Man has invented wheel. Discovery of wheel. All the vehicles are moving on the road. So these discoveries are done up to this time. Till today means up to this time, present time. Man has invented bulb. We all are using. So man has climbed on the Mount Everest. Well known fact. Man has travelled in the space. Everyone knows this. So these are some of the events. You can write the events of your choice as well. Then student, next. This is page number 59. Do it yourself. Read the following outline of a newspaper item. Then complete the news report that appeared in your school magazine. Results of All India Printing competition is out. Tarani first prize winner. Broken record. Announced best painter in all categories. Done school proud. Principal congratulated her. Invited for the tea party by the President of the India. PMO. Then Tarini is a star. Now let's see. Exercise. The results of All India painting competition are just out. Tarini, a student of our school, has won the first prize. She has broken all previous records as she has been declared first in all categories. She has made the school proud. The principal congratulated her. The President of India invited her for the tea. President has invited. Prime Minister has not invited. President has invited. So, okay, now see, from here we filled it. Already we were given hints. So, this is, then come to page number 60. At page 60, from your practice book, Sonali appeared for an interview for the post of an English teacher. She asked some questions. Imagine yourself to be Sonali and taking help from her curriculum bit CB given in the box. Write answers to the questions. The first one has been done for you. Students, CV we prepare and write for whenever we are going to apply for a job. It is not then when you will get job, only then you will learn to make your CV. Exactly when you are studying, you can learn it. You can help people who don't know how to do the drafting. So we learn it up to 10th class, all these things. So we should know a little bit. So according to your class, this information is being framed. It is better to know the things at the earliest stage. So qualification, first of all. First of all, we write name, then father name, address, but here directly name, then qualification, then means married or unmarried, or for how many years, then teaching experience, service in rural areas, if rural means village side, books written for the post of English. So sometimes means what type of work, how much experience, how much experienced brain that they are. So name is Sonali, qualification MA English or BA with honors, married for 10 years, teaching experience 10 years, service in the rural areas for 4 years, books written, 2 English textbooks. Some they are having interest in poetry and all that. So different taste. For how long have you taught English? Now questions, then answers. Exercise is given, from that we are solving at page 60. For how long have you taught English? You will consider yourself Sonali and you will answer. I is always capital here. You can correct it. Write always in capital. I, maybe in between the sentence or first letter. I have taught English for 10 years. Next one. In what subject have you done honors? I have done. Have plus third form. Tense chart you can picturize while solving. You will check which tense we are solving. I have done. Have plus third form. English honors. Why have you not gone? Have plus third form present perfect tense. In for higher studies. I have not gone in for higher studies because I have 2 young children. For how long have you been married? I have been married for 10 years. Have you written any books? Yes, I have written 2 English textbooks. Have you been served? Have you ever, it should be, have you ever served in the village? Yes, I have served in a village for 4 years. So this is, it is ever, on book already given spelling. Spelling is EVER. So this is, then next at page 61. Read the following news report taken from exercise C3, The Fearless Fighter. We have already studied this lesson. Where there is a will, where there is a way, of my English reader. So interesting lesson it was. We have enjoyed a lot this lesson. Now Janaki swims the English Channel. She was handicapped. You know, she suffered polio. Summary must be in your mind by now. Despite Janaki's legs being made useless by polio, she has made India proud by swimming across the English Channel. The underlined words tell us of an action that is complete at the time of speaking. So when the action is complete at the time of speaking, that is your perfect tense. So read the following headlines and news reports. Underline the words in the reports. that tell us of an action completed at the time of speaking. So, let's get started with this. Tata Tech chairman resigns for personal reasons. The chairman of Tata Tech has resigned from his job because of some personal reasons. Has plus third form. You are to its sentences are already given. You are to change it into perfect tense. So in perfect tense, you are to just see. You will use present perfect, past perfect, or future perfect. So here it is present perfect. So means he has resigned. Now faster and cheaper computer developed. Scientists in the USA have also we know developed faster and cheaper computers. Developed faster and cheaper. Faster and cheaper. Have plus third form. Next one. The Delhi police burst a gang of car thieves. So Delhi police. Delhi we say in Hindi. Delhi you will say in English. Pronunciation. Police has burst. Third form. A notorious gang of car thieves. Now expand the following news headlines. International Film Festival starts. International Film Festival has started in New Delhi. So again, because present perfect you are studying and helping verbs are has and have only. So let's do it. Only present perfect tense is there in your practice book, and it's so simple to solve these all exercises because you know with singular you will use has, with plural you will use have plus third form. The International Film Festival has started in New Delhi. Rise in deaths due to road accidents. So rise in deaths exactly, and you are to rearrange the sentence as the death rate has rose risen due to the road accidents. Has plus third form. Water wells in rural areas dry. So now the water wells. Now you know the condition of the wells. If any village you visit, wells in rural areas has dried. Has plus third form. So after this, integrated tense practice. Fill in the blank